Hello, class. Oddly enough, I'm going to start out our discussion of Assignment 5 by having up and talking about Assignment 7. Assignment 7 is our final assignment for this first unit that we're doing this semester. And Assignments 5 and 6 are both going to contribute to Assignment number 7. So for Assignment number 7, our end goal is to look at the idea of diversity on a college campus. Thus, in Assignment 5, you'll see you're going to be reading the chapter about diversity, and then thinking about different groups that we support, different diverse groups that we support at Howard Community College. So to do that, you're going to complete an annotated bibliography of 2 sources. The first source is the source we're going to read in Assignment 5. This source, college completion rates are up, but the numbers will still surprise you. That gives you kind of some background on exactly what students are attending college nowadays. So that's the first article that we're going to read together. For your annotated bibliography, you're going to do these annotations for 2 articles. One of the articles is the article that I'm going to give you that you're going to read in Assignment 5, the college completion article. The second article is an article that you're going to find on your own. We'll talk about that in just 1 second. And then for both articles, you're going to complete an annotation. All right, an annotation or an annotated bibliography. You might be used to seeing a bibliography that usually is just a list of sources. They're done in the proper citation format for MLA style, at least for our purposes, we're using MLA style. But an annotated bibliography adds additional information, and we'll talk about what that additional information is down here, right? The different parts of the annotations you have to do are, yes, you do the citation that you're used to in MLA style. Then you're also going to write a summary of the article. You're going to evaluate the article, thinking about whether it is a reliable and credible source, how it serves your research, what you think are some of the strengths and weaknesses about the article, and how it answers your research question. And I'm going to talk about that research question in 1 minute. But the last part, so we have so far a citation you're going to do, a summary, the evaluation, and finally an explanation of the role of this source. Thinking about if you were going to use this source to do a presentation about the topic of this project, how well would it serve that? What does this source do? What's it going to provide you with? Does it give you examples? Does it give you some background information? Does it provide evidence for claims you think you might want to make? And so those are the different parts. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4 different parts of each citation, and then you're going to do 2 of these for 2 articles. Again, 1 article that I give to you, the college completion rates are up, but the numbers will still surprise you. And the second article is one you are going to find that's going to help you answer this question, right? So you're going to choose a group of students that HEC offers to support to. Students who tend to be nationally less successful in college, and therefore many colleges offer special supports to these students. So some of the groups that we have on campus is we have Howard Pride, which serves our Black male students. We have Ambiciones for our Hispanic and Latino students. We have Career Links, which is for our single moms. We have the TRIO program through Student Support Services for first-generation college students. We have a Veterans Affairs office and program. And then the one maybe many of you are familiar with, our Students with Disabilities and our Disability Support Services. So you're going to choose one of those groups of students who tends to be less successful at college and find one article that answers this question or either of these questions. Either why is this group less successful at college and or what are some of their challenges at college? So that's the article you're going to find, looking at one of those particular groups and answering this question. So that's what the annotated bibliography assignment is about. I'm going to stop this video now, and now we're going to do a separate video introducing assignment 5 and giving you information about critical reading, which is the important part of starting any kind of annotation.